What's going on, people? Today we have an Air Max 97 SE. Now the official colorway to this is black sport turk I think it's turquoise and summit white. Now here are the sneakers themselves. Again with this fucking stick. What is this sticker, man? Look at this, man. Look at this design. Look at the colors they've used. It is just beautiful. You got a turquoise air bubbles. Now this bit looks more blue than turquoise, whereas the swoosh looks more turquoise, and then the 35 in Roman numerals look turquoise as well, but the line that goes in the middle, that looks more blue for some reason. And the material they've used there is, think bathrobe, right? And that's the sort of material that they went with. I mean, overall, like I said, the design is fantastic. I really love the design. The colors are just spot on. I think they've done a fantastic job with this one. I can't tell you this enough. I mean, it looks nice on the pictures. It looks even better in hand. And if you have the means to cop one and you're considering it, don't even think about it. Go for it. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Now carrying on with the on feet, again, brilliant sneaker. Very comfortable indeed. It is a 97, and if you've ever worn one, you'll know exactly what these are like. This is just like the 90s as well, you know, they go with everything. You wear jeans, shorts, joggers, whatever you want. They're not very difficult to style as well. That's one thing I love about the 97s. But yeah, like I said earlier, the line that's going around the sneaker, that's meant to be turquoise, but it looks more like baby blue to me. I don't know, I'm not sure if that was intentional, but I believe it would have been a lot better if that was proper turquoise, like the swoosh and like the 35, you know, on the front. But yeah, guys, I mean, again, we're gonna do the crease test, and as you can see, you will be perfectly fine with these. With everyday walking, I don't see them getting creased anytime soon. Anyways, guys, that's it with this video. Let me know your thoughts about these sneakers. Would you get one? If not, why not? And I will see you guys on the next one.